Hello and welcome, I'm Art, and today I'll be drawing Fused Moro. For those of you who've been keeping up with the manga, you know for a fact that Moro has just simply been a beast. With the use of his magic and all his bag of tricks, you could say, he has definitely been keeping up and for the most part had the upper hand against Goku, Vegeta, and pretty much all of them. But that all changed in the last chapter as we saw that Vegeta finally got the upper hand with a new technique that he had learned, which caused Moro to, in essence, eat 7-3 and fuse and become what we see here, the fused version of Moro. And with today being the release of the latest chapter, number 62, in it we get to see just how much of a beast this fused Moro version is, how strong he is, and basically what he does to all of the heroes that are there. So if you haven't read the manga, kept up with the manga, I do highly suggest that you start because there is a lot of content you are missing out on. Now in regards to this drawing, as you all know, I do love drawing texture, so I was trying to emphasize that heavily in his horns, in the armor, and pretty much all over. And a little drawing tip on how to draw all those little battle damage marks, crevices, or scratches. After you draw the dark mark, all you do is draw a little highlight on top, as seen here, and it makes it look 3D. Now, I will be honest with you guys, I did prefer the original character design of Moro prior to fusing and absorbing 7-3. So with that, I was just trying in this drawing to make him look as evil, intimidating, and menacing as possible. And that was the main reason why the main light source is coming from below. A tip on how to make someone look more sinister is have the lighting coming from below. And because the manga is in black and white, there is very few color references, but there's none for his aura. So with that, I was able to experiment. At first I went with the red, but I ultimately preferred how this purple looked. And here I'm just adding in as much detail as possible to this aura to add in as many action lines, as much movement as possible. And here is the final completed piece of Fused Moro. And that's it. If you like this drawing, why don't you give it a thumbs up? If you're new here, why don't you consider hitting that subscribe button so you never miss any new drawing that I do. And until next video guys, goodbye.